Okay, and welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be drawing Godzilla minus one from Godzilla minus one, and let's get into this. So I'm going to start about like right here with Godzilla minus one's jaw. So it's going to like come down like right here, and now it's just going to like curve around and then go down, and so we're going to have like his neck actually like right there below. And then we're just gonna add this part coming around over here, and it's just gonna like come up and gonna like come. So now his brow is just gonna like come up there, and so just gonna go up there, and it's just gonna like, now it's gonna like go up even higher. So like around right there, and I'm gonna need to zoom in a bit. And so yeah, like that. And I'm just going to bring this part of his neck down, and I'm gonna bring it down, and then I'm gonna add his chest, like going down right there. And we're just gonna add his arm. So his arm is just gonna be coming around right here, and just gonna like go out right there, and it's gonna like come around right there. Like it's gonna like so it's like kind of like going the other way, and I just need to, yeah, I'm not like that good at drawing like hands, like full body pictures are like kind of a bit harder because you need to like get all the detail in. So like this claw is about right there. And like for full body pictures, you need to get like the proportions right too. Because like that's another thing that I struggle doing is proportions. And I need this part to like go in a bit. And so now, like, it's gonna like go down right there, and so I'm gonna let you like, cause I think I'm going a bit too fast right now, and just like that, and like his leg. So his leg is just gonna be like the biggest part. It's gonna be like going all the way right here. And it's just gonna be like going right there and gonna be coming down right there. So yeah, just like that. And now it's time that I fix this part. I need to like expand the head. I need to make it like bigger. So just going to erase this part and make it bigger. Like not by too much. You don't want it to be like too much bigger. Like just like it fits. You don't like want it to be like too big. It's probably gonna like go all the way up there this time, so great. So yeah, just like that. And I need to find a way to make it not as wide before, like I'm not gonna do that just yet. So like I need to like make this less wide somehow. And now I can't like see it because like I can't see the head because like the time thing is covering it. So I'm gonna have to like make that like connect a bit more to like be a bit smoother. So it's gonna go like down there. I'm gonna make that part like I need a thinner pencil. So like with the 2H pencil, I think I was using the 8B pencil. I keep forgetting to mention what pencil I was using. So just like that. And I need a better arm because like this arm is actually whatever. So I'm just going to make a better arm. So now I'm just going to like have it coming right here, and this time it's gonna like go down like right there. So like and this part's just gonna like come down. And just gonna like go down all the way to like that. And I'm just going to now add these, not too big, like it's gonna like I'm gonna draw the outer claws right there. And yeah, that's like the time thing is like blocking it so much that I cannot see. Like if that wasn't there, it kind of like fat if I don't know. So I'm just going to, I might need to fix that leg a bit. I want this to be like going out, going in a bit, or going up a bit more. So yeah, just like that. I need to fix like, I don't know where I'm messing up a bit more than usual in this one. If you watch some more of my other videos, I kind of mess up a lot less. I mess up a lot less. So yeah, this is gonna be coming all the way up back there. And so I'm going to have it like that, and now it's kind of be starting for the detail part. So that's gonna be right there. And I'm going to have like a lot of like some detail right here. And yeah, I'm going to have like, I don't know if I should have that. Yeah, I don't think I should. And I want to make this look like it's like actually like curved, so I'm gonna make it like that. We can also add some teeth on it with the 2H pencil. That was the pencil I was using earlier, if I didn't mention it. And yeah, like that. And minus one had this like in the poster. It looked like he had like so much like stuff on him. Like it was like this stuff. If you like, so it's like it was like kind of like these like things. Like it might be scales, but like it looks like coral on him when I first saw it. But I guess that's what detail he has. So like, especially on his arm too, like there was a lot on his arm. Okay, so I had all that detail and just going to like add a lot of bumps. Like minus one has like a different detail. He's like kind of like, just kind of like bumpy, or like I only drew minus one once, like. And yeah, that's most of the detail for him. I only took 11 minutes. I was expecting to take shorter because my shortest video is 7 minutes and 36 seconds, but I was rushing on that one. My real shortest video when I was not rushing was 10 minutes and 32 seconds. It was my Drown Viper video. It was like 10 months ago. And yeah, so that was quite a long time ago. And my channel had its first birthday 1 year ago. And yeah, so 344 since then. If you're watching this right now, I probably have more subscribers, but yeah, by the time I'm recording this, I have 344. And he also has like this detail. It's kind of like Legendary Godzilla. He still has that detail, but like with this stuff too. But like not too much of it. But he doesn't have this stuff on his leg. It's like all bumps. And like stuff, so. Yeah, and I think there was a tower somewhere. Like, it was like a, I don't know how to draw it. Like, I actually don't know how to draw it. It's like, it kind of looks like it's like this, so. And yeah, you can skip this part if you want to. I think I'll have chapters below. Sometimes I add chapters, but they just don't work for some reason. And sometimes I add them and they do work. I don't know why, but just someone left to show me how to use them. And this, so it goes like right there. So it's gonna be like that. And it's like there's something across here. Yeah, so you can skip this part if you need to. And like it was like coming out of here until like there's like something on the edge. Like it like, I think it was like power lines or something, but I don't know, but they disappear right there. And then yeah, this part, it's kind of like a power line thing or something, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why I wouldn't cut this part out. I don't know why I didn't cut it out. And it's like, I do not know how to draw this stuff, like, but like, yeah, that's why I said you can skip it if you need to. And so yeah, that is our picture. and just like that. And so yeah, and I'll just add some like details. Like I think I'm just gonna add some spikes. No, I'm not gonna add any spikes. I'll add spikes right now. And I don't think it was a good idea to add teeth. Like sometimes if it's like a far away picture, the teeth can actually make it look kind of bad. So sometimes I just don't like drawing the teeth. Sometimes this AB pencil can be like so thick. I don't like when it's like so thick. So yeah, Godzilla's basically in the corner right there, and now it's time to draw the clouds. Yeah, because I want to draw a background this time. We should draw a background. And so it's kind of like it's gonna come like, okay, so like the cloud starts around right there. And yeah, so like, I can keep drawing. And I'm just going to add like, it's gonna like come right, like it's gonna like come around up here, and they go up, and then it's just gonna like, so now these clouds like come up, and so now it's just gonna like, it's gonna be a lot of clouds right here. And like, just gonna like, it's gonna like, it's gonna like be kind of like that, and then just gonna go down there, and so like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one from how to draw Godzilla -1 roaring, and I hope you enjoyed this, and see you in the next one.